Wah! Good morning, good day, good afternoon. Wagwan. Team tired. Last night I couldn't even, trust me, I couldn't even stream long. The way I was so tired. tired. Woo! Wagwan, you know good? Happy Saturday too. Me there, I upload the vlog right now. I'm showing you. See it there? Yeah. Just done up. Thing are just for me to push the publish button now. Drop it up. So we can do this. Yes, I'm gonna do some streaming right now with the man called the Dub Scrub. You know what I mean? The Scrub. You know what I mean? And also so I do a collab today, guys, because we basically go bang our way, bang our way to 1K. Bang our way to 1K. Guys, yeah, journey with me. Wagwan team. They are not too long done. Do some streaming. I was so unfocused, you know. Because I had visitors over and then I was on the phone and then I sort out a bag of things. I feel leave the stream. But now I work on a track. Sort out a track for your artist. But I did want to be more focusing on the match, you know. Be more focusing on the stream. Play the game better than how I play. Yeah, just bare distractions today. Friends them come over, me I talk with them, plus me they on the phone while me I talk to them, plus me they on the phone, I talk to them. And me I talk to Dub. Me I talk to Batman, and me I talk to GPJ or PGJ. Oh Jesus, totally mess up the man, the young man name. DPJ, yeah. So it's crazy. It's crazy. In and out the room, all over the place. But my soon stream again though. Yeah, not really much to do today. I was supposed to go up on the road. But it never work out. Cool, so I'm just there. I send out something to an artist and just I do it, you know, and not too long eat something because I never get anything to eat this from there. I just been working and that's it. And yeah man, check out the vlog the vlog from Saturday. Friday vlog. So that's vlog 7, so go and check it out. Big up to my peeps and my team, you know what I mean? So yeah, journey with the boy. My day. Whee! Wagwan team. Good morning. Yeah. Morning again, you know. Good day. As you can see, a 2 days worth of vlog this though. Yeah, smell nice. 2 days worth of vlog. Never do much yesterday still, so just there. Never do much yesterday. I just bare work. Bare work keep, so just that time is 5 in the morning. I just got up. I'm about to do some work. As always, I push it to make team get bigger and better and to greater things. You know what I mean? Spend some time with God too, which is very important. I know my thing already straight up. Yeah, so journey with the boys, we keep it real. You know, everybody asleep. King Alvin asleep. Shakata asleep. J Dizzy asleep. Whole PSYNOS team. asleep. Yeah, PSYNOS not asleep. PSYNOS got works to do. Yeah, so yeah, journey with the boy. Big up to First Dance Studio. Big up to Jody. Big up to Sherry Berry. You know, big up to Abby and the whole crew. Big up to Auntie RJ. Everybody from First Dance Studio. Love you guys. You guys are amazing. You guys are the champions. Straight from the heart. Listen, so come down there. Down on my bay. Anyway, guys, it's a wonderful morning. Outside is so quiet and nice. So, yeah. I see you soon. I could do some work. Hey. You know where I go? We're going to church, bruh. The whole of we are got church, yo. Team PSYNOS, the whole of we are got church, yo. King Alvin! Ah! Whole of we are got church, yo. Whole of we. Walk on, money. Walk on journey with your boy. Team PSYNOS, what touch church? Pick up on yourself. Yeah, I'll give some thanks to Father today. Straight up. Okay, I'm good. Yeah, so journey with your boy. We'll soon reach. Hope everybody been having a great morning so far. Oh, me look good. Alright, do not answer me. Alright, big up on yourself. Journey with the boy. Yeah.
Block it off.
Vlog world war. So me just reached church here. Big up to the people them around here. See? Church ain't started yet. But journey with the boy. We soon reach. Vlog world we soon reach. Now below. What? Yeah. Trying to get the best lighting for y'all people so y'all can see me. Oh my god, my forehead though. Seriously. So journey with the boy, guys. Before we go into the church, I will go and show it for real. Let y'all know. So journey with me. Team PSYNOS, we all going to church today. I'm going to give thanks to God. Hey, cause he's worthy, bruh. Let's go, bruh. Alright, see me here, vlog world. I reach early. This is my church. Yeah, this is my church. It's called TLC, Transform Life Church. Yeah. So come, I invite you all.
And the woman says, I don't have anything. And he says, if you know who you are talking to, you would ask him for something to drink. Because I will give you living water. It is an Old Testament representation of something that was going to happen in the New Testament. What God was saying is that Isaac needed to dig until he find living water for himself, where he starts developing a spiritual understanding for himself. We are out of this in our relationship with God for himself. Amen.
I used to run from my but you made me strong. Not strong and mighty. I am that I am. You made me stronger.
you see that? Vlog world, you see that? Yo, you see them vibes there in my church? Oh my God. Yo, see that? Me I sweat up. In my new clothes, me set up. Yo, me love the vibes. Yo, watch him mud in my brother. Watch him mud. No, we don't want no slip and slide around here. It's a dance that. You know what I mean? That's the only slip and slide when go around here. Yeah. So me buy all my CD there. I bet. Vlog world journey with your boy. There. You got my big brother. Yeah. Shine up in that building. So you know a little bit more about my business. You see, I'm not one of those YouTubers that I don't want to interact with my followers and don't whatever. Nah. I'm trying to be different, bruh. Y'all people know that I love Jesus though. So his testimony, his life is gonna show. Y'all know that I represent for positivity then. That's why I name my camp PSYNOS. Yeah. I infected with the positivity, the love and the grace and the power that he gave to me. Woo! Yeah, that's me. PSYNOS, PSYNOS, gaming live. Woo! So journey with your boy. I'm out. What? What? Oh my God, vlogs world, it's so beautiful. Right now, me just emotionally. Oh God. What? Team PSYNOS, what? Yow. What? Today was a wicked day. Yeah man, had fun today. Today was good. Can't complain at all. I'm satisfied. Hope you guys enjoy that journey to church with me. You know? Yeah. So this is a little piece of my life. Guys, you know? So, yeah. Journey with your boy. Just there now about to stream. Well, I'm going to edit a vlog here. And then me go stream a little bit later from now. So, guys, big up. Thanks for journeying with me to church today. Today was a great day. Yeah, man. Today is a great day. Can't complain at all. Guys, so yeah, we're just there. So continue to stay focused, stay positive, stay motivated, keep pushing to the top. You ain't gonna stop. And at the end of the day, and by the perfect grace of God, just always just be happy. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. Big up to esports. esports.ja.com. I wanna go.